In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with Apple Watch Series 9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to issue contactless payments with your Apple Watch. I'm gonna be talking about the Apple Watch Series 9 specifically, but these same steps can be used for any other model of Apple Watch. To do this, you will attribute a card to the Apple Watch and then issue the payment. So first, if you still haven't attributed a card, go into the Apple Watch application on your iPhone, and inside of here, scroll all the way down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay. So within My Watch, you will see Wallet and Apple Pay. Choose this option and make sure that it is enabled. If you have previously used the Apple Pay services, then this should be enabled by default. And with this done, you can now start attributing cards as payment methods. So every card that is displayed on this page will be able to be used for your Apple Watch payments. If you still need to add a card, choose the option here, and it should be automatically added as long as it is within your wallet. If needed, input the details, so the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once the card shows up on this list, you can now head over to your Apple Watch. Whenever you want to issue a payment, press twice on the side button to open the Apple Wallet menu. So you will see this message, hold near reader. Now by scrolling up and down on this list, you will be able to select a specific card. Once a card is on the middle of the screen like this, it means that it will be used to issue this payment. So all that you have to do now is physically place your Apple Watch on the card reader. As long as you highlighted a specific card that you want to use and you physically place it on the card reader, it will be used for that payment. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Apple Watch Series 9. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.